So here's how small the box is, and my husband's gonna take it out and set it up. We're actually out camping right now, so we're gonna give a little demonstration of how it works. Bottom.
And these have to latch into here.
Have to latch those in.
Both sides.
Both sides, yeah.
We put them on top.
So there's the top. Lock that into place at the top here.
And the bottom.
And the bottom.
The shelf in sideways. Into the little grooves.
So obviously you can place it wherever you need to.
We put it in the middle.
Yeah, we put it in the middle.
Put it over the fire.
Yeah, you put it right on your on your fire. There's a thermostat right here. So as you're heating it up, you check out what temperature it's on. He just locked it shut. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and we're up to 300. So now he said he's gonna, it's a bubbly crust as you can see. Okay, gonna put the bottom side up just to toast it a little bit, and then add more ingredients. So it's been about 6 minutes and the temperature went up to about 350 and it is done. Looks great. So that's the demonstration of the Coleman oven, and as an Amazon associate I do earn commission on any qualifying purchases, so I hope this was helpful.